Do you want to make viral history TikTok videos like these that gain millions of views and likes? Then you have found the right video. I will show you all the steps to making a viral history video. Let's begin. First, we need to use ChatGPT to make the script and text-to-prompts for our video. Once you're in ChatGPT, use this prompt to make the scripts for our video. If the script is too short, ask ChatGPT to make it longer. You can copy the prompt down in the comments. Now that we have our script, we need to make prompts for our text. So type this to make text-to-prompts descriptions. Now that we have our script and text-to-prompt descriptions, we need to turn it into a voice and images. Head over to Leonardo.ai. We will use this AI tool to make images from our text-to-prompts. First, choose the ratio 768x-1024, then paste in the text that ChatGPT provided us with, and continue with this until you have converted all of the text-to-prompts into images. After that, head over to ElevenLabs to make our voice. In ElevenLabs, choose Adam, since the voice is widely recognizable. Now take your script from ChatGPT and paste it into ElevenLabs and hit Generate. Now that we have our voiceover and images, let's head over to CapCut and create our video. First, put all your images from Leonardo in and our voiceover. Then choose the ratio 9:16. Now add a bit of movement to the images by using keyframes and transitions like I'm doing. Also add background music to make the video seem more alive. Now use the function auto-generate to make our subtitles. Once you have done that, go to templates and use a template that you like. Now adjust the text until it fits your liking. Now export the video and you're done. Let's take a look at the final product.
Did you know? In 1912, a survivor of the Titanic named Violet Jessop had an unbelievable stroke of luck. She not only survived the sinking of the Titanic, but also its sister ship, the Britannic, which sank during World War I. What are the odds, right? Violet was a nurse, and her experiences on both ships were nothing short of incredible. On the Titanic, she worked as a stewardess and helped passengers into lifeboats, narrowly escaping the icy Atlantic. Her quick thinking and calm demeanor amidst chaos saved countless lives. Then, during World War I, she served aboard the Britannic as a nurse when it struck a mine and sank. Once again, Violet survived. Her courage and resilience in the face of disaster are truly remarkable. Despite enduring 2 ship sinkings, Violet continued her career at sea, working on various ships until she retired. Her story is not just one of survival, but of bravery and fortitude in the face of unimaginable circumstances. Violet's incredible luck and unwavering spirit have made her a legend of maritime history. Her story serves as a reminder of the unpredictability of life and the strength of the human spirit.
Fantastic. Now upload the video to all your socials and remember to upload frequently to see results. Check out my profile if you want to learn more and consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel.